welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be updating you guys on the orange tree I planted about 7 months ago. I put up a video, a 60-day time lapse. Several of you actually reached out and asked for an update, so we're going to be updating it today. So when the time lapse was actually over, I ended up moving the plant outside. When I moved it outside, it actually did really well. I got full sun pretty much throughout the day. I ended up transplanting it into a bigger container, and I left it in that container for about probably a month or two. And then I recently just planted it into this container. It did good for a few weeks, and then we got a lot of rain. The plant actually kind of died back. We actually lost most of the leaves. I think there was only probably 5 or 6 leaves on it. It actually turned white, and I kind of chucked it up as it was going to die. I babied it for the next couple weeks, and it ended up coming back really well. Now it's actually taken off again and got a lot of new growth on it, as you can see. A lot of new leaves. It's currently probably about 7-8 inches tall. So as you can see, it's a lot bigger than it used to be. So it is growing. What I'll probably do is do an update every 6 months, just because I think a time lapse would just be too slow, since it is a slower growing plant. I really appreciate all the support from that video. It's actually my second highest video in terms of views. It seems like you guys are really liking the time lapse videos, so I'm gonna keep making more of those. If you have a specific video you want to see or plant grown, let me know down below in the comments. I'm gonna try to start uploading videos every 2 weeks. I have another jalapeno video coming up. It's the 3rd video for that one. That one's almost done. Probably another couple weeks I'll put that one up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.